Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to delete an element from an array. To delete an element, the user must provide the position number of the element to be deleted from the array. So you can see a list of values are given. You got 10 values, and for which you have the position values, that is from 0 to 9. So you have to give the position value so that it can delete that element and display the remaining elements. Suppose an element to be deleted from the fifth cell of an array containing 10 elements. Say suppose you have an array which is given here, which has 10 elements, and the position value is given here. Now you want to delete the fifth element, that is 4. What has to be done? Shift all the elements from 6 to 9 position, one cell left. So here you can see you are going to remove this 4, so that what you have to do is you have to move the right hand side elements one cell left. So 6 to be moved to 5th, 7th element will be moved to 6, 8th element will be moved to 7, and 9th element will be moved to 8. So what happens here is the element of the 5th cell will be deleted. So remaining elements which is in the right hand side will be moved one cell left, so the last element will be empty. So we are going to see this with an example program. So here in this program we are going to see what are the methods going to be used to delete the element. It is similar to the program which is used to insert an element. The variables are same. You can see an array variable which has the maximum value which can be stored in the array is 50. So as we discussed previous example, you can decide when you execute the program how many values you are going to enter. Now you got two more variables. One will be the position variable, where you are going to ask for the user to enter the position value which the value going to be deleted. The position value will be stored in this, and then n. So here you are going to store the number of elements to be input. So if you are going to input 10, then n value will be 10. So you can see the first input statement is you are going to enter the number of elements that will be stored in n, and then according to the number you are going to use the loop. So you can see for I equal to 0, I lesser than n, I plus plus. So this loop will be executed till n times. Suppose n value is 10, it will be executed 10 times. So this statement will be executed so that it will enter input 10 elements and will be stored in the variable ARR. Now you are going to enter the position of the element to be deleted. So here enter the position of the element to be deleted, that will be entered and it will be stored in POS. Now you are going to shift the elements from the given position. As we discussed in the algorithm, you are going to see how to shift the elements from right hand side to its towards its left hand side. Now from where you are going to start it? From the you are going to mark the position value. So for example, if the value you are going to delete is the 5th position, you are going to input 5th position, that is 5. So you are going to start shifting the value from the next cell number, that is 6th position. So I value will be from POS plus 1. So if the POS value is 5, it will be starting from 6th position, and then it goes on till 9, and then it will increase one by one, so that it will move one cell left. Now what you are going to do here is ARR I minus 1 equal to ARR of I. That is, you are going to move the I value will be 6. Okay, so that is ARR of I. So ARR of 6 will be moved to ARR of I minus 1, that is 5th. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So the value which is available in 6th position will be moved to the previous position, that is 5th position. So this will occur, this will be executed till the end, so that the last final value will be removed. Okay. Now finally you are going to display the output. As we discussed the previous example, you are going to just display it in a row. So you are going to compile this program. No syntax errors. Now execute this. Now for practical purpose, I am going to enter only 5 elements. So enter the elements here. Say 1, 2, you can leave a space in between, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 numbers has been input and now you are going to enter the position element to be deleted. Say for example, I want to delete 3. So what is the position value of 3? So first position value is 0, second position value is 1, and then 3 will be stored in the position value 2. So I am going to input 2, that is the position value of the element 3. Now you can see the array elements after deletion is 1, 2, 4 and 5. That means 3 has been removed. Okay. So this is how you are going to remove the element from the array. Now you can see the element here, that is loop here for I int I equal to 0, I lesser than n minus 1 I plus plus. Why I use n minus 1 is, since the last value is been moved towards its left, you no need of using the last value. So you are going to execute only till 9. So here that is you are going to execute only till 8, not till 9. Suppose if I remove this, I am executing from 0 to 9, that means that is 0 to 5. That means you are going to display all the 5 values. So what happens? So I am inputting 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now position value given is 2. You can notice one thing odd here. You can see 1, 2, 3 has been removed, 4, 5. But again you can see that last value which is not been moved, actually we have copied it. Okay, that means the last value will be there. So you don't want to show that last value, so that you have put that n minus 1. That's the reason you put that n minus 1, so that it won't show the last final value. Okay. Now I am going to execute and show it to you again. So I am entering 5 elements. So I am giving different numbers, say 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now I am entering the first position, that is I am going to delete 4. Now you can see that number 4 has been deleted, and you can see only 4 values have been displayed. Fifth value will not be displayed. You don't want it because that will be having the same value 10. You want to repeat. You don't want to repeat that. Hope you understood the logic how to delete an element with an example program. Okay, we meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.